Tomatoes are used for so many things. Pasta sauce, pizza sauce, tomato paste, tomato soup, in salads, or just simply for a tomato sandwich. Sometimes when they come off the vine, they aren't completely ripe. What can you do to help ripen the tomato? The end where the tomato is sitting will ripen the fastest. Usually tomatoes will ripen on the bottom first, so the logic is to turn it upside down. If you turn it upside down, the tomato will ripen and you can enjoy its juiciness even sooner.